If you've been seeing ads from Mahgryn claiming it can switch your body into a fat-burning machine by supporting mitochondria and melting stubborn weight without strict dieting, you're probably wondering whether it actually works or if it's just another overhyped supplement. So here's a straight, no-nonsense review based on what's actually verifiable rather than marketing hype. Mahgryn is promoted as a daily weight loss formula that supposedly boosts metabolism, increases energy, and helps convert stored fat into usable fuel. But when you examine the substance behind the claims, the evidence is thin and mostly built on buzzwords instead of hard data. There are currently no published clinical trials specifically testing Mahgryn for weight loss outcomes, and the formula does not clearly disclose exact ingredient dosages, which makes it impossible to judge effectiveness or compare it properly with research-backed amounts. Many of the ingredients listed are common in low-cost fat-burning blends and are not unique to this product, despite branding that suggests a breakthrough discovery. The advertising strategy leans heavily on emotional stories and dramatic before and after testimonials that cannot be independently verified, and some reviews appear duplicated or imported across multiple supplement pages, which raises credibility concerns. You'll also notice language implying regulatory approval or scientific validation, but these statements are often framed in a misleading way that does not equal formal product endorsement. Another point worth noting is that similar formulas appear under different product names, suggesting rebranding rather than innovation. Based on the available information and observed results patterns with comparable supplements, Mahgryn does not clearly stand out as a proven scam, but it also does not demonstrate strong scientific support for the bold weight loss promises used in its ads. So expectations should stay realistic and cautious.